I'm Paul McGregor, and I've been an auto mechanic and a businessman for 50 years. One of the biggest problems we have today is lighting. I have designed a new lighting system for the automotive industry. It lights up the whole engine compartment without casting shadows. This is a standard light that most mechanics are using today and been using for quite a while. One of the things is it's difficult in some cases. This one's pretty easy to get it on the car. It doesn't produce much light at all. A lot of times the light has to be taken and put down and put exactly where you're going to be working. The problem with that is a lot of times you need two hands. So this makes it very difficult. This is another lighting system that's on the market. The problem is it's got a long cord on it, and it makes it a little bit difficult to get the light so you can get it on the car. It's kind of flimsy too. The light winds up shining in your face, and so now you've got to rotate it, and it really doesn't give you that much light. It produces about 2,000 lumens. It's a good idea, but it could be a lot better. Okay, and now we have Smart Light, which is a light that produces 6,000 lumens. It is very easy to put on the car. It has a short cord, and it comes with a GFI. The Smart Light produces 6,000 lumens, and you're able to see deep down in the engine, and the whole engine compartment is lit up. And this also allows you to use both hands. It doesn't create shadows. Smart Light is a fantastic light. It's made in America, and you can buy it factory direct.